Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. And in this video, I am going to show you how to change your interactive broker's password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change the password, you just simply have to open your interactive broker's account. And after opening the application, you will see this icon into here. Click into this icon and after that you will see this change password option. Just simply click into that. It will open the password changing tab into here. Now you just simply have to enter your current password into this box and then set up a new password into this second box. And after that, repeat the same password into the last box here. You must have to follow this password requirements into here. And after doing all this, just simply click into this continue button. Then your password into interactive brokers will be successfully changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.